Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Module 4. This week we will be meeting in person, and we're going to be considering the question what legal guidelines, and both federal and state legal guidelines, support the identification and assessment of emerging bilingual students. It's quite extensive, and I'm going to do the best I can to make it as simple as I can for you so that you'll be able to understand ways in which we identify emergent bilingual students in public schools and ways that we assess them in various different parts of their journey learning and becoming proficient in English. So we'll also this week you'll be sharing your connections to the first literature circle response sheet that you completed before class. Make sure you do complete it before class. Otherwise, you'll get in your literature circles during class and not know what to talk about because you didn't do the reading. So make sure you do the reading, make sure you do the response sheet before class this week. And we're particularly going to focus our learning this week during class on the different levels of English. They're called proficiency level descriptors. As students are learning English, they kind of transfer through like three different levels, and how you teach a student considering their literacy is different in each of the stages. So you'll want to know not only what stage of English acquisition they're in, but also how do you teach them at that stage, and that's what we'll be talking about. We'll also be unpacking the ELD English Language Development State Standards, which are quite lengthy and extensive, and make sure you bring your course manual or have access to the electronic course manual because there's a specific way that you reference those standards, and I'll be teaching you that, and you'll be using that particular way of addressing it and referencing those standards in your ELD lesson plan. So you'll pay close attention to that. And then we're also going to be talking about effective referral processes for special education. The state mandates that we go through a particular format as we're assessing for learning disabilities and as we refer students. And I'll talk more about that in class. So I'm looking forward to seeing you this week. It's going to be an exciting week, and I will see you in class soon.